As you know, Kirinyaga has been granted an SEZ authority to build a climate-smart industrial city in Sagana, and we have started as a team to go out and benchmark to see what other people have done. Even if Tattoo City has been done in a very huge scale, we will be starting where they started before, which was a bit smaller. But we've come to learn so that we do not make any mistakes that they made at the beginning, and hopefully we'll have a smoother start and move faster to transform the lives of Kirinyaga people, and also to set an example for many other counties that may want to do the same thing.
Niturenda kuambiriria Gwaka Sagana Industrial Park, na ni wega kwamba guka kwambiria kuona aria makite toguo turenda gwaka kwambiria kwabanaga atia na bara makinyite niba tondu turenda gwika mabitio ona mamwe tukiambiria wira ucio. Koguo ni kithomo kiga tukite kuthoma na twathoma guo tugicogana kuria Kirinyaga guthi kwambiriria wira twina kaundu tungihota kuga ni twanyita na njira iria yagiriire. Koguo andu a Kirinyaga ni meterere mone uria tukwambiria wira uyu na Tattoo City ni kundu twakenerera muno na ni tukuruta wira kuringana na uria twathoma.
The first operational special economic zone, we are very open and willing to learn from each other and actually have a kind of partnership with not just similar projects as us, but also from a county and from a national perspective, because these are the kind of projects that really take our countries and our counties forward by creating a lot of economic empowerment, not just for the industry, but also for our people in terms of employment and opportunities. And also importantly, attracting investors across the country and across the region. So the more facilities, the more projects we have like this across the country, the better, not just for us as a people, but for the continent as well.